Good morning, students. Today we'll do our next poem of book Hornbill, Childhood, written by poet Marcus Nathan. Marcus Nathan was a child when he wrote this poem. Means he was 12 years old. The same question he asks to himself. When did my childhood go? मेरा childhood कब गया? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Ceased means stopped. When I stopped to be 11 means I became 12 years old. Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? Means it was that time when I became 12 years old and I understood that there is no city named hell or heaven on this earth. And therefore could not be. इसलिए they cannot exist. वो इस अर्थ पे exist नहीं करते. Was that the day? In the second stanza, he again asked the question. In the first stanza, which means what? It is rationality. He has become rational. He does not believe in the existence of hell or heaven on this earth. In the second stanza, he asked the same question and guess. Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? Means adults are not what they look like. Means they say one thing and they do another thing. They are hypocrites. Hypocrites वो होते हैं जो कहें कुछ और करें कुछ. They talked of love, they preached of love, but they did not act so lovingly. Love की बात तो करते हैं, but love नहीं करते. फाइट करते हैं, क्वारल्स करते हैं, लड़ते हैं. वॉज दैट द डे? अब ये दूसरा इसमें क्या आ गया? उसमें इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई कि ही कुड अंडरस्टैंड द हिपोक्रेसी ऑफ द एडल्ट पीपल. उसमें ये थॉट्स आ गई. फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा में वो फिर क्या गैस करता है? क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स द सेम. वॉज इट व्हेन आई फाउंड माई माइंड वॉज रियली माइंड? मीन्स मेरा माइंड मेरा है. To use whichever way I choose means thoughts मेरी अपनी है. Producing thoughts that were not those of other people means जो thoughts मेरे mind में हैं they are my own thoughts. They are not the thoughts of my parents. I started thinking not like parents but in my own way. मेरा अपना तरीका हो गया तो इंडिविजुअल बन गया. He understood कि वो एक separate individual personality है. But my own and mine alone. My thoughts, my ideas are mine. Was that the day? In the last stanza, the question is different. अब question change हो गया. अब वो क्या पूछता है? Where did my childhood go? कहाँ चला गया? पहले पूछता था कब गया. कब गया? When he was 12 years old. Guess है उसका. But अब कहाँ? It went to some forgotten place. किसी unknown place पे चला गया. That is hidden in an infant's face. जो किसी दूसरे child के face में छिपा हुआ है. Means अब उसको अपना childhood कहाँ दिखेगा? In the face of another small child. That is all I know. बस इतना ही मुझे पता है कि now I cannot go back to my own childhood. If I want to see my childhood, तो I would find it in the face of another child. ये सब बात समझ आ गई. Now let us discuss the questions of this poem. When does poet realize that his childhood has gone? अब यहाँ पर 11 है. 11 नहीं, हमने पोएट में पहले स्टैंजा में पढ़ लिया है 12 ईयर्स. सीज होता स्टॉप. 11 तो स्टॉप हो गए. मीन्स 11 खत्म हो गए. जब हमारा बर्थडे आता है तो हम कहते हैं ना आज हमारा 12th ईयर स्टार्ट हो गया. 12th स्टार्ट हो गया मीन्स 11 स्टॉप हो गए. 11 नहीं रहे अब. तो वो कह रहा है कि इट वॉज दैट एज व्हेन ही बिकेम 12. 11th ईयर स्टॉप हो गया और 12th स्टार्ट हो गया तब. तो एट द एज ऑफ 12 नॉट 11. वाई इज द एज ऑफ 11 सो इम्पॉर्टेंट? क्यों है? बिकॉज एट दिस एज ऑफ 12 रादर 12 बोथ प्लेसेस पे वो ही कुड डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन फैक्ट जो दिखता है और फिक्शन जो स्टोरीज में कहा जाता है. वट इज द क्वालिटी एक्वायर्ड बाय द पोएट एट दिस स्टेज ऑफ हिज लाइफ? कौन सी क्वालिटी आ गई उसमें ही हैज़ बिकम रैशनल, लॉजिकल थॉट्स आने शुरू हो गए. When did the poet know that hell and heaven are imaginary concepts? When he became 12 years old, when he stopped to be 11 years old. Why is the poet worried? Worried क्यों है? Because he has lost his childhood, the purity and innocence of his childhood. Where has the poet's childhood gone? कहाँ चला गया? It has gone to some forgotten place, means in the face of another child. Why does the poet not talk great of grown up people? जो adult people हैं उनके बारे में अच्छा नहीं बोलता ना. He says that they are hypocrites. Poet feels that grown up people, means adults, do not act on what they preach. जो वो बच्चों को सिखाते हैं वो खुद वैसा नहीं करते. Why is the poet confused? Confused क्यों हो जाता? तो वो ही is confused कि whether he is child or an adult. होता है ना ऐसा कभी, पेरेंट्स कह देते हैं अब तुम बच्चे नहीं रहे, अभी तुम इतने बड़े नहीं हो गए, तो ये कन्फ्यूजन वाली स्टेट है ना. तो दिस स्टेट इज कॉल्ड एडोलेसेंस पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ. 13 ईयर्स से लेके 19 ईयर्स तक का होता है ये. हाउ डज द पोएट फाइंड द पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड? लोग कैसे हैं? दे आर हिपोक्राइट्स. दे टीच ऑफ लव बट दे डू नॉट लव. एक्सप्लेन माई माइंड वॉज रियली माइंड. थर्ड स्टैंजा में आता ना कि my own thoughts, individual personality he has become. It means that poet was completely in control of himself. Means he has his own thoughts, his own ideas. Producing thoughts that were not those of other people's means what? Means he has become confident to express his views independently. कि अब these are my views. My views do not match with your views, with the views of my parents, my elders. Which stage of life has been under consideration above? यहाँ पर adulthood नहीं बेटा, कौन सी लाइफ की बात हो रही? Which stage of life has been under consideration? हाँ, जो अंडर कौन सी एज की बात कर रहा है? वो एडल्ट एज की बात कर रहा है ना, जो एडल्ट पीपल कैसे बिहेव करते हैं. और उसकी अपनी एज कौन सी है? एडोलेसेंस की है. खुद की उसका जो टाइम पीरियड चल रहा है वो एडोलेसेंस है. और बात किन की करता है? वो एडल्ट पीपल की. विच स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ, ये हो गया क्वेश्चन. वट थॉट्स ऑफ द पोएट आर रिवील्ड इन दीज लाइन्स? कौन सी थॉट्स? मीन्स ही हैज बिकम एन इंडिविजुअल. इंडिविजुअलिटी उसने इसमें एक्सप्रेस करी है. आगे नेक्स्ट आ जाता है क्वेश्चन कि वाई इज द पोएट ईगर टू नो द लॉस्ट प्लेस ऑफ हिज चाइल्डहुड? क्यों ईगर है? Because he wants to go back to his childhood. He loves his childhood and he is eager to know where it has gone, where it is now. Where is the poet able to find his lost childhood? In the innocent face of another child. He is able to find his childhood. Now, this is a very short poem about childhood. Again, revise. In first stanza, he talked of rationality. In the second stanza, he talked of what? Hypocrisy. In the third stanza, he talked of what? Individuality. And in the last stanza, he was able to find his lost childhood in the childhood of another child. Thank you, students.